Hello dear friends, in this video I will demo a useful Vscode extension called Quick HTML Previewer. Without this extension, after the code is written, the developer has to switch to browser to view the result, and switch back to Vscode to write code again. Quick HTML Previewer lively preview your HTML, JavaScript, and CSS file in Vscode itself. To install this extension, click the Extensions button in Vscode, and in Search type Quick HTML Previewer. Is in the first one. I click Install, and it is installed. To use this extension, in Windows, tap ctrl+p, or in Mac, tap command+p to open this menu, and tap the right arrow key and select the Set View. You also can choose the full view. The full view will cover the whole screen of the VS Code. Like this. The next thing is if there's several tabs open in the left. After switch the tab, the preview directly shows in the right. Convenience are. If you like my video, please thumbs up. Any comments, suggest, please leave the comments down below. Thank you very much and see you in next one.